Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix touch screen not responding on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause an interference, and let me tell you why. Whenever you have your screen protector poorly applied, misaligned, or it's just a bad quality one, then it can cause the issues with the touchscreen not responding. So as you guys can see, my screen protector does not have any issues. It's placed correctly, and now that's the reason why I won't be taking it out. But for the case, as you guys can see, we have those little bezels right here. Let me quickly show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, we have the little bezels right here. They can cover a little bit of the screen, so make sure that yours does not cover the screen. Otherwise, you will be forced to take the case off of your device. So if they cover those little parts of the screen, basically by those bezels, then it can cause the issues with the touchscreen not responding. So we definitely do not want that. Now after that, what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume down button and click on restart, and then tap again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys after my device turns on. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is update your software. So as you guys can see, I immediately got transferred to the settings after the restart because I have a software update available. So let me click later here. Let's scroll down until we see the software update, and here click on download and install. Now let's schedule our install or install it now, but it might take a while. So for example, from 15 minutes to 1 hour. So I'll schedule it at 3 AM when I'm definitely asleep. Then my phone can update overnight. And as you guys can see, update will be installed automatically at 3 AM. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.